lose my money with Eddie and the invisible Vinny Cuz because he is technically not here right now. All right, where we have two Uber drivers ride sharing their way out of, driving out of ride sharing through day trading. My little strategy that I have is where everything started, which was where my green line crosses over the yellow line, and that's when I make money. But some things have changed, and well, let's see how it goes. Good morning, Kiki. Good morning. Now I'm gonna share my screen. Hold on, where am I? I'm gonna share my screen. All right, there we go. It's looking so pretty. Good morning. Okay, the market is about to open in 1 minute, and since Vinio is not here, then I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the spy. Nothing going on. Let me see. 8:30 news, 9 a.m. We got some news. Sheila Home Price Index. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, I think today's Tuesday. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta shut something off. Yeah, Texas. We got nothing here. We got nothing. We were supposed to get a storm. Um, on the Texas weather advisory. Something about a storm coming out our way, but we didn't get any of it. It's 80 degrees right now over here. I think. Let me see. What's the temperature? Well, it's 55, and that's hot. It's gonna be a high of no way, really. It's gonna be a high of 89 today and a low of 65. Ooh, yeah, partly sunny. Yep, 65, 87, 71. Ooh, it's gonna be nice and warm today. I didn't even go to work this morning. It's just, mornings, Monday, Tuesdays has been very DED. So, yeah, Kiki, okay. Today I'm going to be doing it without Vinios. Vinios is sleeping. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's done, but he's going to be missing out right now. Let me see. Hold on. What am I doing? Yeah. Okay. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. I'm 1 minute late. Okay, let's do this. Yesterday was a good day, man. Uh, let me see. Remember, me and Beanie got that a whole little $2,000 challenge, which is turning $1,000 to 2,000. Vinny is up 1668, and I am 1,062 or 1,059. Who can get to $2,000 first? You know, sometimes Vinny has been making some calls, and um, and I predict the opposite, and the opposite has actually been working out. Good morning, Richard. Richard, and everyday exercises. Damn. Yeah, well, I wouldn't be surprised every day. I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised if that happened. Well, the tax hikes. But I'm watching it. Let me see where is it. Where's 380? I got 380. I got some resistance down here at 380. What do you see at 380 that I don't see at 380? I got so many lines. So many lines. I am not trading for the first 15 minutes. I should keep it to the first 30 minutes. That's what I should be doing. I'm gonna mark this 380 that you was talking about exercise. Come on. Okay, I see what you mean. You're talking about like this level over here. Ah, good morning, Wes. Manuel Vasquez, what's up, Manuel? Yeah, I marked it. I marked it. Exercise that 380 level. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. I will keep an eye on it. All right, it's time for me to do the Dom. Let's do the Dom. Let's do the Dom. Let's do the Dom. Okay, I'm not touching anything for 15 minutes. You know, I should keep it to 30 minutes. That's what I should be doing. But I technically like watching the spy. Look, Tesla is bouncing off the what's going on with Tesla here. It is in the no, no, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. I need music in the background. You know, I have this motivational music called by Spotify Motiversity. But I don't know. Just not feeling it today. Not feeling it today. No, definitely not into country music. Okay, let's do this. What are you saying there? Every day. Let me see. Let me make this thing bigger. Everybody needs to keep in mind that if there is more gravity in the stock market than support this year, the Fed is going to mess around with inflation. Oh yeah, you know what? I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it. They're trying, but it's just like the more they put their 2 cents into it, they just kind of keep messing everything up. Manuals. So trading has been for like years, but it's been like on and off. I've lost quite a few bucks. Like I've lost quite a few dollars. But this is the only time where I've actually been taking it seriously. That's why I started doing the live, is to keep me on point and keep me coming on every day until I actually get it. I got my supports and resistance, and then the group with everybody's advice and stuff, which I do take, but not too hard. So again, I have to learn my own way. I did do the Cameron Ross, which was a little bit over $3,000 day trading program. I liked it. I really did. It was worth the money. It was worth the money. But taking it seriously for the past couple of months. So just learning, trading, and just going. So what I want to do is before I trade with real money is take the $1,000 that I started with and turn it into two. Vinny's got me. Vinny's ahead right now, 1668, and I'm up and down, under 1,000, over 1,000. I can't seem to really get in, but I'm learning. Vinny has been doing it like for like years, um, but I've only been doing it seriously for the past couple of months. I really want to get out of ride sharing. Really want to get out. I just don't see anything good coming. Um, I don't know. I prefer to have an out, just looking for just in case, ride sharing doesn't work out, because everything's getting really expensive, and then making all this money with ride sharing, it's like, okay, yeah, I make over 100K a year, but everything is getting so expensive that I gotta find something else. I gotta find something else. So in between this, the the YouTube that makes me a little bit of money, and the AdSense and everything else that I got, then that's what I'm using to, learning, try to get out. All right, here we go. I am a liking the spy right now. $396.45 is the low. You know what? I'm gonna use this right here. Just gonna move it up right there, right there. Let me grab. Okay, I'm gonna grab a spy, and I'm gonna grab a put also. Spy watch list. Hold on. There we. 'Go. 'There we go. 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 'There It's just that I like it how it just broke above the 9 EMA. Technically, we are. I don't know. Okay, let's do this. I'm getting by two here. Two options. Stop is the previous candle's low right here. So I just like how it's turning around at my resistance, but it just kind of just turned around. Now it's just above my line. I have two. I want to sell one at 10% and then just hold on to the other one. But I'm going to get ready in case it doesn't work out. I just like how everything is crossing over. My MACD is crossing over. It's coming out of oversold. And is above my green line, my 9 EMA. And it looks like it's wicking right above the my 9 EMA. So oof. All right, great. I'm gonna sell one at the bid. And I'm gonna hold to the other one, break even. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Well, it looks like it just got there. Maybe that's what you meant. Maybe I got to you a little bit later. Yeah, 2 weeks out. That's long-term trading, Wes. Long term. Oh, or is that short term? You just you're holding on to them for a little bit. I'm gonna see what happens at the 200, but I do not want to hold on. Where am I at? See, I want to see what it does at the 200 if it blows right through or if it doesn't. Come on, Reggie, come on. Yeah, for me, it's pretty good, but it's kind of like okay, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. Um, I don't know. I like it because it's just I don't know. It's like it's quick money. Um, Let me see. I'm at the spy right here. Let me see. Oh, I got. I'm looking at Apple too. Um, let's see what happens here. It came to like almost a 200 and then just turned around the other way. So good thing I got rid of it. Yep. And then in this case, Wes, what I'm gonna be doing is if it does cross over, then I'll hold on to it a little longer. See, I just when I have my 200 above, it looks like it's downtrending, but I have to wait and see what happens. Give my 2 minutes. Hey, what happened to my music? There we go. I don't know. For some reason, like it's just a buy and sell really quick. Okay, let me switch to my puts here. They're pretty cheap at my puts. They're 63 bucks. 396. Where are they? 396. They're right over here. Yeah, I don't want to jump in it too early, but I'm still waiting. Really, really, really need to get this account. I'm already funding. Yeah, I better be on my paper trading account. Yeah, paper trading. All right, let's see how it goes. I'm waiting for it to cross over my VWAP right here and see where it goes. What? Let me see. Tesla. Tesla is heading down, down. Yeah, I'm in the SPY, the SPY, the SPY. Yep. And then I could possibly get this movement right here down to like 394. I just need to get into the trade, West. I need to get into the trade and just hold on to it and let it work out. I gotta do the Dom, bro. I gotta do the Dom. Nice. Yeah, the $3,000 guaranteed. Yeah. So whatever. So I don't know. They just rounded off to 3,000 there every day. Um, they just they just put it up there, and sometimes it's good. Hopefully you signed up with somebody else's code, and they get credit for it. You know how many people I got signed up for mine? I never got credit for them. It's just I think they just don't finish them on time. I should have made like 5 grand in promo codes that I gave out. It's just that people start them, but they never finish them on time. Oh, you're still on Lyft. I've always wanted to try where you do Lyft for a couple of weeks, and then when Uber starts calling you back, then you do Uber for a couple of weeks because they hit you with those really good promos. I don't know. I like this. I like this West. You see this? How it's just bouncing off the 9 EMA to the upside. All right. I'm just gonna buy one. I'm just gonna buy one. Okay, and see if I get a continuation. What time is it? It's 8:54. Wait, wait, wait. I just don't like how my 200 is above, but it's curling to the downside. But let me see. Apple's taking off. Tesla is still down. On my 15 minutes, it's like right above this resistance levels where it's been at for a little while. So I don't know. Look at this. Continuation to the upside, maybe. What I really want to do is break this. Let's do a high here. I like to mark these like these so I know the high and the low. Yeah, so these are my higher time frames. Um, and then I look at my lower time frames. How everybody has suggested to get in and out. It's just that everything is like my lines are like right there. Everything is so close that I try to take it to those points, but I'm trying to see if it breaks. It's ranging right now for me, so I gotta see how it goes. But the my 9 EMA crossing over the VWAP, I just like it. I like it. See, like right now, everything is kind of like downtrending. I got my 200 at the top here, and it looks like it's becoming pretty good resistance. and it looks like it's just curling to the downside. I'm just waiting for it to curl. My 9 EMA cross, my VWAP, and then take a trade from there. I like it more to the downside than I do to the upside. Hi, yeah, Wes. Um, but though, but when you don't know, man, it gets a little bit. So I'm trying to do like the sit and wait, but still on the spy only, my 9 EMA crossing over my VWAP has been. It usually works pretty good as long as it's with the trend. So see on a high time where it's kind of like flat. Damn this. It's just I got so many lines. I got so many lines. Needs to start taking some lines out. Yeah, no. That's the way I see it too. It's just overall, it looks like it's just downtrending. Because I'm trying to figure, putting the news with this. At least I don't want to trade the news. Um, but as I'm learning, I kind of like okay, so after the news comes out, because the news will say one thing, but then the market react totally the opposite direction. So, but that's a learning process right there. But I just have a funny feeling. It just looks like it's just coming down overall. I'm just waiting for it. I'm just gonna wait. I've been keeping a real close eye at Tesla. Apple's taking off again. See, is he gonna break above? Is he gonna break above the high of day? I like it. I like it. Where's my calls? Okay, I'm ready with my calls. I'm watching it. Look at that. Okay, so Tesla. Look, Tesla's coming back down. QQQ. Apple. Looks like it topped off at 147.97. Um, yeah, Tesla is still down. But for some reason, I don't know why I like the SPY, but I always keep going back to it. It's just that every time I look at the history, because every time I'm done doing this, I review my trade, and I always say to myself, you know what, I should have just held on. I'm just waiting for my cross. But just as long as the 200 is above it, I see like it coming down. Of course, the steeper it is, then the better I'm off. Yeah, that's what I'm doing every day. I just want to see because it's like right there. So once it gets to like that four, but I don't know. It's just me. I like to ride it to the four and then wait to see what happens at the four. Because there's another thing too that I've been watching. So I'm looking at my MACD and my RSI. So if this starts taking off and it hits the 400 and it's an oversold and the MACD starts to turn around, then yeah, you know what? It's a good short. But what I really wanted to do was just move, move, because I know it's momentum. Yeah, literally what I wait for. I mean, is that a good strategy, right? Wait for it to run in a direction and then make my decision there, whether it be the pullback or the cross or whatever. So I would like to just keep it to just one trade or two, but never three. Because when I'm going to be trading with $1,000 account, and I just want to keep in the beginning. Just I only want to spend about 100 $150 of the account. Um, but I want to hold on to that trade until either it becomes profitable, like a 1 to 1.5 ratio. So, and by the way, Vinny's still not here. Vinny Yos is still not here. I think he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Sees the high up there. Looks like it's gonna break it to the upside. There it goes. All right, there it goes. There it goes. Hold on. These options, my call options, getting a little bit expensive. Oh, look at that, that big, giant, humongous wick. It was like big rejection right there. Is it gonna close? Is it gonna close right there? Would this be a pullback right to the 45? All right. Just need really to get above this, the high of day. And by the way, I used to have Spotify. I used to pay for it, but a lot of my clients just don't tip too good. So you know what? I forget it. It's like I'm not paying for it no more. Okay, I don't want to pay for 'em. These rides are just getting really cheap, really cheap. There Yeah, you see that every day? Didn't go. Now it's just tanking. I wanted to see what it did around the 200. See if you reject, then this is a pretty big reject. I just need my cross of the 9 EMA over the VWAP. It just doesn't want to go up. Just does not want to go up. There we go. It's under. It's under. I'm gonna try my put right here. So this is my it's just one put option 397. Um, see if it rejects off the 45 right here. 9 EMA is crossing over at least the 45, but not my 9 EMA. I'm just trying to get a little bit earlier. So I reduce my my losses. But the idea that I rejected off the 200 is just like, okay, see, I'm getting crossing the MACD. I got down with the RSI. It's heading down. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I timed it just right. But if I'm on 9 EMA crosses my VWAP, then I'm gonna hold on to it a little bit longer. But I gotta hold on. I gotta stick to the strategy. But technically, it's still ranging between the high of today, the low, and the high of today. So 3 minute, 5 minutes. And here we go, the waiting game with my option. Yep, I just need to break down. Hold on, and this is a 397, so it's technically in the money. Okay, let's go, Reggie, let's go. Tesla is coming down. Oh, wait, Tesla is on the 15 minute. Tesla's really coming down. Let me see, Apple just bounced off the 9 EMA on the 2 minute. Yep, just break. I need to break the 396. Okay, look at that. Okay, my go Sergio. Sergio, if you're watching, I'm sorry, but my green line is crossing over my yellow line. Yeah, I just need to cross. I just need to cross, and I feel so much better. Better if the line just crosses my 9 EMA, crosses over my VWAP, and then just ride it to about 1 to 1.5 ratio. Well, a dollar 50. Um, so where my options about right, dollar to a dollar 50. I don't know. I'll see. I'll see. But this option cost me about, I think it was about $100. 116. No, it cost me about $100. Yeah, yeah, Wes. I said the same thing too, bro. Where is he? He's missing out. He's missing out. Look at this. Tesla just broke under the 200 on the 2 minute. It's coming to the 200 on the three. So 200 is kind of like a support. Ooh, but let's see. It's just that I like to see these other stocks that I'm watching. If they break down, then I kind of see like kind of like the SPY breaking down. But I gotta see. There you go. See, I got the cross. I got the cross. I got the cross. And I just gotta sit here and wait. Just ride. Just ride it. Just ride it. Oh, let me mark my let me see. Let's do the SPY. Let's do the 1 minute here. This is a trader view. That's right, guys. If you want to use trader view, which is a charting, let me put it up. All right, trader view. Yep, just scan the code. Trader view. It's basically it's just charting. You can mark your lines and all that stuff. Just makes it a lot easier to trade. Okay, and you can actually do this. Let me see. This was my entry. Okay, possible profit potential. So I have a 24% profit potential, and I'll be willing to lose eight. Right? If I put my stop at the high over here, or yeah, that's on the other side. A little bit higher, maybe 10%. Let me see if this gives me the target 95. See, this is why I would love to buy two options, but see how it goes because it's usually I gotta hold on to it for a little while. Yeah, no, I sent them a text. Let me see. Let me send them another text. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Here is when it. Okay, so now it's going against me, and now this is where I depict like get in, get out. Look, I'm down already 17%. 17%. But it's just I kind of just see like this downtrend. See, and now technically I would have. See, this is my loss, profit potential if I marked it right. You know what? I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna hold on. I am going to hold on to my trade. Yeah, yeah, Wes. Yeah, yeah. I should tell him. I text him. I text him, and he's not out there. I've been waking him up lately. I've been waking him up lately. I gotta see. I don't know. I think he's been working late though. He's been working really late, so getting up in the morning has been a little rough for him. And I think I've been waking him up because he looks tired. He looks tired. So I think I'm disturbing his beauty sleep. See, I didn't go to work in the morning, so I'm up. I've been up since 6. Setting everything up. Um, but uh, but hey, you know, Vinny wants to do this too, though. I don't want to. He really wants to get into this and stuff, and but I want to leave like I want to leave ride sharing like really want to leave it. This is just I like it, but this is just not my thing. Um, I mean, deep inside, I really don't know how Vinny feels, but I know he wants to do this. I know he wants to do this, but he works late. Saturday I think I made like uh, almost $700. I think it was Saturday between the private rides and what I did for the day. It was a good day overall, but still. And by the way, these are all clients that I actually got numbers from. They were like, "Oh yeah, maybe one day we'll call you and stuff," and ends up being they called. They were stranded. These guys were stranded. But I need trading money. I need trading money. I just gotta figure out a way to pay my car with my business because I can't just like use my credit card and pay my car. There is a way though. There is a legal way to do it. There is a legal way to do it. I gotta find a little document. There is this so the car has to be under the business name for the business to be able to pay for it. But on a dot it's literally like it's a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper that I write to myself for myself, which is basically it just says that I'm renting my car to myself, to the business, and then the business is paying me to rent the car for the whatever, which I could do it legally because I'm technically using the car for business. So I would be renting the car. I would be making an agreement with myself to rent the car to myself so I can pay myself for using the car for myself. You follow me? Yeah, I think so. Little trick of the trade. Little trick of the trade. Come on, Reggie. I'm in the money, so hold on. This is a zero day option. I think this is a 0 day option. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a 0 day option. Yeah, come on. I know you want to break down. Look, West said he's breaking down. Every day says you're breaking down. Or at least West every day said he was going to go up to the 300, see what it does from there, and then come down. West has got an option, right? So, hello, let's go with it. Go with it. Here, let's do some little thing. Okay, basic trading 101. Remember, Vinny is doing the support and resistance. Wes, I believe you can vouch for Vinny when he talks about support and resistance signals and stuff. Scan the QR code if you want to be part of that. I think I got a little bit something with my support and resistance lines. Um, Again, we're about to see as my account gets bigger, see if my account grows a lot faster. Because I've been up and down, but now that I have my support and resistance lines, then I know where to like maybe buy, get out, sell. I don't know. All right, but basic trading 101 is what Vinny's got. But he's got thrown in there a couple of videos on how to mark your support and resistance levels. Webull, if you want to do this for free, never use real money in the beginning. Always paper trade until you get it. Then when you get it, then you can use because then you're not taking other people's advice. All right, paper trading. Start with $1,000, turn it into two, and then go with real money. But yeah, you have to keep doing that consistently, over and over and over again, with as little trades as possible. And let me see. And also, if anybody's interested, I use a DB credit card, which the DB credit card basically this is how I keep my finances in check. So I want my business to consume only $2,000 in expenses, and then I take my DB credit card, which is just one, but on the app I can divide it into a whole bunch of them, and then each credit card can pay a particular bill. After it pays at that bill, then if they charge you a little bit more than what they're supposed to, then the card automatically declines, and you get a notification. It also does it build credit and it's a secured credit card. So I have $2,000 of my money in there, and then they report it to the credit agencies. But it's for my business, though. I do it for my business. I think you can use it for personal also, and then report to the credit agencies on your personal. But you got to do a little research on that. But I use it for my business. I don't want to go over. If I go over my $2,000 limit, then I'm overspending, and I can at least look where I'm overspending on. Oh, and another thing too was sometimes you get subscriptions to things and you can't find how to cancel them because they make it very difficult for you to cancel the subscription because you can't find out where it is. Then you can just boop, just cancel the card, freeze it, delete it, start another one, and it's unlimited, I believe, on the amount of credit cards that you can create. DV credit card, very very good investment. Yeah, yeah, very choppy. Hold on, Handy, what's up? Handy, hold on, Handy. Are you on my side? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I wake up early in the morning and I work till late at night. Now it's become a routine, so I want to keep it going. So I'm trying to fill my free time. So I want to wake up. I want to wake up at 4. Start working at about 5, but I want to continue the whole entire thing until 11 p.m. I just want to keep doing something. I don't want to be sleeping all the time. I don't want to be doing nothing all day. Uh, but yeah, so Swing trading, yes. Long-term trading, yes. The dogs of the Dow, which is the dividend strategy, where you just buy a whole bunch of dividends, and then every year you take your least performing dividend, performing stock, and then you place it with a better one. That's what I want, but that's like passive income. But I've had to cash out of my IRA like twice already. So because of unfortunate events, including the pandemic, so I need to get into something that creates me money now instead of me just holding on long term, because I'm not gonna make it long term. I'm not gonna make it long term. There's no retirement plan for me at 65, because some stupid unfortunate events like this. Hurricane Maria hit me in Puerto Rico, and I had to cash out my 401k then, and then I started an IRA, and then boom, the pandemic hit, and I had to cash out again. You know, and it's not like little events like, oh, like I lost my car or nothing like that, or I gotta make a mortgage payment. No, it was like, dude, like wipe me out. Hurricane Maria wiped everybody out in PR, and then this pandemic, well, wiped everybody out too. So I wanted to stay afloat, but long term, yes. Once I get this down, it's gonna be an 80% type of thing into my long term, okay, and then short term for me to do whatever. It's gonna be the other 20. Tesla is long terms. One on my one of my long terms. I am telling you. Okay, Tesla, SpaceX. SpaceX is gonna have the only rockets that are going to be interplanetary. All right, assuming he pulls it off. Assuming he pulls it off. All right. He's going to have the only engines that are going to be interplanetary. Not only that, a long time ago, he was talking about in the podcast, was it a podcast, where he wanted to commercialize the engines and make them smaller. Okay. In other words, put them on planes. Yeah. But he's going to be the only company that actually makes them. Now, I know Tesla has got like an open like anybody can use his patents on Tesla, on the company Tesla, and he even said like he doesn't care if Tesla goes bankrupt, just as long as everybody uses his tech to, it's my watch, as long as everybody uses his tech, to make their cars better, which for some reason, all these other car companies are not like taking advantage of that opportunity. So but SpaceX, but he's got this really, he's the rush to go to Mars. I don't know why, but once he's going to be the only provider, he's already got contracts with NASA, and as far as I see, he's the only one that's going to be able to commercialize space. And once it commercializes, totally new industry, and he's going to be the only one with the rockets that are able to do that. Ooh, and whatever SpaceX does because of his presence, whatever SpaceX does, then Tesla does really good. But Tesla is on my mind. Like it's like 200 something dollars for Tesla right now. What is it? No, it's not. It's 397. No, this is the SPY. Damn it. 205. 205. I have two accounts for my kids, and I have a whole bunch of Tesla stocks. A whole bunch of Tesla stock. I wish I could buy SpaceX, but you can't buy it. It's still a private company, and he wanted to go public with it. Which I hope so. I hope so. Dude, the damn guy put a freaking roaster to the tip of his rocket and just threw it out into space. Like, hey, this couple $1 million, and there you go, just throw it out into space, see what happens. You know, um, Fred just welded a freaking roaster to the tip of his rocket and just send it out into space. Just thinking about it. And I'm also trying to find the mining companies. Yeah. No, no, Richard. Not that I know of. Not that I know of. If you know of, I know they're trying to do like an ETF. So I believe, ETFs are like basically a whole bunch of companies put together, and they're trying to put like a whole bunch of space companies put together. I do know that there are these mining companies that created drilling equipment like oil rigs, but not for oil, for meteors into outer space. Man, I saw it one time, and I do not know which companies they are. So I don't know if I don't know if they're producing them for like NASA or SpaceX, but it's they're oil rig companies, and I've been looking for them for quite some time because if that's happening, that actually means that we are really planning on going up there like really soon. There is this mineral called helium-3. I want to do a report on it. Um, and helium-3 is all around the moon. Now we don't get it here on Earth, but as far as I understand, helium-3, you can take helium-3 and you can use it to create to power a power plant. You can create a power plant with it, but helium-3 doesn't create the side effects of radiation. You know, it doesn't have that. It's a pain to make because they say that you need higher temperatures for you to be able to use helium-3. Um, but just imagine you can create a power plant that but without the side effects of radiation, and it's all over the moon. If you look up helium-3, you see what I mean. Moon is covered. Moon is covered, and the only way you could get helium-3, I believe, is when you get when the solar flares hit the moon will protect it. So that's why we don't get it here. Um, but helium-3 is all over the moon, and if that's the case, SpaceX rockets are the only ones that can go there. So, but yeah, China was it China or was it Japan? I think it was China that they were trying to build they were talking about helium-3. They were trying to build a rocket to go out there and mine helium-3. I was like, yeah, sure. Oh, this is Kanye's song. Love it. I get the chills listening to Kanye right now. Oh, it's called Hope. Is this Kanye? Oh, this is not Kanye. This is I take that back. I'm sorry. I confused the two. No! Chumamas! In the mood. I don't want to listen to this crap. Totally, totally messed it up. NF? Damn it. That's not NF. Is that the ticker? Come on, I'm gonna play my strategy. I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm still in my option. I'm still in my option, by the way. It's just I see it coming. Okay, I should wait until it breaks, but I don't want to wait. What's up, bro, kids? Oh, okay. All right, Wes, I get it. I get it. It sounded like Kanye. So every time he comes up on my Spotify, I never look who it is because I just started listening to it, and I was like, damn, speaking sounds like Kanye's. Like I really like this song. Um, but yeah, totally different. Di- Not only that, I thought you were talking about a stock symbol, bro. What the hell, bro, kids? Hey, bro, kids, you playing the ride sharing your way? Well, day trading your way out of the market. It's been look, it's been okay. It's been okay. Um, but um, but it's just I'm seeing the trend. I'm playing my lines. You know. Um, but I gotta be patient. I'm very impatient. Very impatient. Wes will tell you. Very impatient. Um, like right now, I'm waiting for this to break to the downside. I just kind of see it coming. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's under my 200. My 45 is right here. It's bouncing. It goes above and it comes right under my 45, and my nine. It's like it's ranging. It's ranging, but it's ranging down. So I just wanted to break to the downside and then just keep going. It's going down, baby, down. And again, for me, the odds are that it's going to continue down. I just want to break to the downside because I see it coming. All right, there we go. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Look at how big, humongously huge this damn candle is. Let me see under 1 minute. Yeah, I just need to break it. Need to break this right here, and then there's the low of today, which 396.45, and then I'll be happy. We don't have any news that I know of today. Today's what, Tuesday? Today's the 28th. Let me see. We got the 8:30 a.m., which is the balance of goods, then advanced retail investors. We do have a 10 a.m., which is, oh, that passed. See, I told you, Vinny was working late. Chicago consumer confidence is at 10 a.m. So it's at 10 a.m. So it was at 9 a.m. with me. So yeah, Vinny responded. He said he was just waking up. Come on, baby. Day trading our way out of ride sharing. Day trading our way out of ride sharing. I need listen, guys. I don't care what you guys think, but I need motivational music. No, no, not that one. There we go. That's right. There we go. No, ride sharing is still my full time. Ride sharing is still my full time. What makes me money is, what I always encourage everybody else to do is start a website, start a YouTube channel, do affiliates. That puts a little bit of extra money on you on the side. It keeps you moving, but this ride sharing is my main. I want to get out of ride sharing and get into this. That's what I'm trying to do. I know some people are trying to do the same thing too, but this is paper money, and I have a $1,000 account that I started with, and I want to turn it into 2,000 before I start with my own money. If Vinny was here, you see Vinny that he started with $1,000 too, but he is 1,668. But that's because he's more experienced than I am, and I like him here because he he basically he calls me out, be like, hey, maybe next time you should like not do that and wait, or mark your lines so you can use them as reference points or points of reference. Support and resistance zones, but it is not making me money yet. The idea is for it to make me money, but I don't want to lose money. So I start with $1,000 account. It's 1,073 right now. It was 1,300, but it's been fluctuating up and down. Over 1,000, under 1,000, then back up over. It's just when I get out of ride sharing, you gotta work long hours for you to make the same amount of money. Yeah, is that what it's called? You can hear it. Can you guys hear that? Then does the music in the background? I have it pretty loud. It's called Fearless Motivation. It's one of my top channels that I listen to on Spotify. It just keeps me going. If it wasn't because of this, I won't be able to wake up at when I wake up at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, I won't be able to do it. So my base in my but remember each state is different. California is more expensive than it is here in Texas. So the base was costing me 399. It's never what they say. Okay. You put all your fees and stuff in there. Mine was coming out to a little bit over 600. That's not including tolls and charging. So it was costing me about 2,500 for just the baseline Tesla. I mean, if you think about it, you could 2,500 every month, and you could afford 3 Teslas with that. But yeah, it was costing me about 2,500. Some people at other states it's cost them about 2,000. So it all depends. There's a discount going on right now that they'll be giving everybody for the rent of the Teslas. That is my worst case scenario. If I lost my car because something happened to it, then I'll do that. And for some reason, Uber has been favoring the rentals, the Tesla, which because they got to they got to pay for the cars. So If you get the Tesla, I have a buddy of mine that rents the Tesla, and he makes about 400 or $500. Not all the time, but the majority of the time. So, but that's because they favor Teslas because it's their product, so they need to pay for it. But I mean, he's ranging like 400, and I can't even make that much. I'll make probably like half of what he makes. But remember, $2,500, Uber needs to make sure that you can make that payment. So on top of the 50% that they take also from your rides. So yeah, Raddyfield. Yeah, man, a lot of people from San Antonio come over to Austin. South by Southwest is coming up. And I'm about to find out how much money I make with my SUV. It's the first time I have a seven-seater for South by Southwest. So let me see if I can get rented for the day for South by Southwest. I'm very expensive. So, um, but let's see how much money I make by Southwest. So, oh, you're in oh, and by the way, yeah, you're in San Antonio. So, yeah, your price is gonna be about that much. Did they go from, I think it was 299, three, was it 399 or 299? I think it was 299. They brought it down a little bit. And it's not worth renting the long range. It's not worth renting the long range. You still have to stop the same amount of times for charging. Just get the short range, get the standard one. All right, rent that out. I experimented with both my short range and the long range, and I was spending the same amount of times charging, okay, and the car was costing me more money. So, and I was still making the same amount of money with Uber and Lyft. So, um, stick with the standard range. You don't need the long range. You're gonna be so you're like, oh, I stopped charging less times. Like, no, you're gonna be charging the same amount of times. Just plan it. I use the 80-20 rule. No, I'm sorry. Um, I use the 20-30 rule. So 20-30 rule with Teslas is that once my car gets to 30%, I'm already thinking about a charger. At about 20%, I should be on my way to a charger. All right. The first, when you start with the day, charge it to 90%. The second time you charge it to 80% only, and then get back on the road. 80% is more than enough to get you through the whole entire day. And always stick to the my ebook strategy, which is pick up, drop off, and you stay put. Especially when you're in a Tesla, you pick up, you drop off, and that's it. You stay there. You stay there. It it's just you're not moving around. What happens is that when you gotta go to a charger, it takes time to get to the charger, and then you have to sit there and wait for your car to charge. So that time takes it's money. Time is money, especially with the Tesla. Yeah, this Coachella. Listen, I want to go. I'm not good with advertising, so I don't know how to advertise myself to get hired privately. So I know it's putting in ad and stuff and charging people, that's fine and all that stuff. Um, but I've never done it, so I don't know. You know, I have a buddy. Wednesdays we have the Rideshare Garage, and there is Steven. Steven is doing it. He did actually Phoenix. He went to Phoenix for that big game. He he made some good money. He made some good money. But I heard this Coachella is a totally different type of animal. These are people with dineros, mucho dinero. And you can go there and you can make a lot. And I want to do it. I want to do it. Just go and spend some time. But I've never done it before, so I don't know where to stay. I can't sleep in a car because if I sleep in a car, I'm gonna have all my stuff in there, and I can't. I can't. It's a seven seater, so I need a seven seats to drive large groups around and all that stuff. Oh, Vinny's. I think Vinny's here. I think Vinny's here. Damn, but Coachella. I heard very good things about Coachella. Vinny, if you're talking, I can't hear you and cannot see you too.
That's because I haven't said anything.
Oh, he's up. That's a the voice.
Luke, Luke, you are my son.
No, my father. You are my father.
Luke could not be his father.
Um,
Luke was his son.
you know, uh, damn, what's it called? The something effect
Mm.
in
Yeah,
the
I don't want to put on the camera, bro. No. I just
damn,
woke up.
what's it? Oh my God, the whatever effect, where basically they change history, and now so in Star Wars now he says, "I am your father" instead of Luke, "I am your father."
You talking about the butterfly effect?
No, not the butterfly effect. It's called the Mandela effect. The Mandela effect. The
Oh, okay.
Mandela effect. So now when you watch the movies, he goes, "I am your father," instead of saying, "Luke, I am your."
Yeah, 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 yeah. I get it. I get it. How'd you make out this morning, bro? I was up till 5 a.m., bro. I was in deep lo-fi work mode. I was looking at all kinds of stuff,
Yeah,
craziness.
I had. Yeah, I figured
How'd you make out?
You were out till late. I'm in a put right now.
No, no.
I'm waiting for this to break down. It just you came on and it basically just turned against me when you came on. Yay.
All right, I'm out. See you later.
But I got Wes was asking. No, it's not called the butterfly effect, bro. It's called the Mandela. Has to do with DARPA. So DARPA got this supposed to be this big machine, and then the collider, and it's just they keep messing. And
Can I come back yet?
yeah, yeah, where are you?
I went away. You said I brought you bad luck, so I didn't want to
I
be.
didn't say you brought me bad luck. I said when you came on, the market turned around the other way.
That's a
The
bad
moment
thing.
you came on. No, you said it was a bad thing.
Oh, I don't know, bro. I'm not. I mean, listen, calm down. Okay,
Don't
so
be don't be a
what kind of are
sissy.
you up or down today?
Not now I'm down.
Now you're down. I show up and you go down, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah. So I might let this one go.
Oh man. I swear I'm just looking at the markets, man. Just turning this crap on.
Yeah, no, see?
Woo! I don't know why I got all those up there. I need to get rid of all that. What is this? That's my spy. Why is that like that on spy? Oh, wait a minute. Let me get out of there. That's something else I got going on. There's something I wanted to show all everybody out here though. This is why this is why I had this up yesterday. Hold on. Let me get rid of some of this crap. I don't need it here. I don't need any of this here. Okay. Eddie, you watching?
Yeah, I'm watching. What you got?
All right. So this is spy on the daily. Everybody's concerned with the market, right? The market
Uh-huh.
going. This big dip here is March 22nd. That's the big dip when the pause first happened. And everybody the world went nuts. The day the world stood still literally. Okay. And then we went on this amazing, amazing run right here. This amazing run. Well, then January of last year, right? We went on an amazing bear run. This is from January of last year. This is SPY on the daily. Okay. So last year, even though a lot of people made money and everybody thought it was good, it wasn't. The market overall went down. Two things to look at here. If we do a fib retracement, this is just overall market strength. We do a fib retracement, right? We're still, because everybody's concerned with doomsday. Everybody's concerned with doomsday. Oh, the market's going to fall out. I think it's going to fall out some more, but it's only because of this. Look how amazing from the low of the market, March 20th, 2020, to the height of the market, which was December 30th of 21. Look how perfectly this Fibonacci retracement worked up right to the 50% retracement level and then bounced up. Look how perfect that is. Then here's another 61.8 that was established on the way up. Boom. 78.6 right there. It's amazing, bro, how Fib works. And you can gauge on things, bro. Just so amazing. So here's the thing I wanted to show you the most, though. Because remember, Wes brought up Death Cross, Golden
Yeah.
Cross crosses. Well, here you go. You want to know what's going on with everything? Here you go. This is a 200 moving average, a smooth 200 moving average. The red line. My green line doesn't matter. That's just my EMA. That's irrelevant. But this right here concerns everybody because if it breaks below again on the 200-day moving average, we could see another major pullback. If that breaks below there again, we could see another major pullback in the market. This is why you always got to have cash on hand to make that move if the market starts tanking again. I don't know if anything I said just made sense to you, but
Yeah, no, that's something that I've been looking at, and I actually had that line. Do I have that line here on which was a downtrend, and now it looked like overall, it looked like it was going up, it was turning around,
well,
but the
uh,
200 was like acting like support.
right. So we're going to need this to break above and back up. Think again of support resistance. The 200 moving average is a solid support resistance area, right? So if this market, if you listen to like idiots like Jim Cramer on CNBC, or yeah, CNBC, oh, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. I ain't buying shit until a long term investment. I'm not buying nothing, and I will remain bearish until the market can prove that it wants to move forward. And we have another FOMC meeting. We got another Fed rate hike coming this month. I don't exactly know what day, but March 1st. In March, we have another rate hike. The market now is pricing in a half a point. After the last Fed meeting, they were only pricing in a quarter point. So, anyway. Oh God. Okay. Oh man. You need to find a room. I don't know who the hell he's. You can't sleep in your car. Who the hell is?
Oh,
Where's
because we're
Rick?
talking about we're talking about Coachella.
Oh, Coachella. Okay.
So yeah, yeah, because I know Steven went up there and stuff, and he found it Airbnb, but I can't work with all my stuff in the car. So like, where do I put it?
Oh,
If
your
I was to
camera
take the
went out.
trip over to Coachella.
Your camera went out. It's not working.
Yeah, I know I did. God damn it.
I'm not turning mine on, bro. I'm a mess. I am literally sitting here in my underwear this morning and undershirt. My wife beat her. Um, bro, kids, what's going on, Papa? How you doing? Wes, good morning. Uh, Tariq is in the house. What's up, Tariq? What's going on? Boyamba, apparently, Eddie, what are you trading today anyway? Bro, I just
I'm
came in to
still
talk to you.
I've been playing the spy the whole entire time. I've been playing the spy. Nothing else.
Oh, trading spy. Trading spy. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh man, let's see what can. I want to see what Tesla did today. I haven't looked at nothing yet. This is Tesla on the daily. 1 minute. Wow. Look at that line separation, dude.
Tesla basically came. I mean, it was. Where am I? I'm on the 2 minute. Yeah. Has been coming down. Apple is on a run again.
Apple? No. Was it? Was Apple up today? Yeah, a little bit. Not
Uh,
much. They haven't
started
broken. You're still down from yesterday.
started, on a run, then came right back down, and then went right back up again.
Let's see what we got here. Oh man, I did miss something this morning, huh? Oh,
Yeah, it's
bro.
been a lot of what do you call it? Range, ranging, and I've been very FOMO-ish, you
Okay.
know. So right now I was bearish, and now I'm bullish because the SPY turned around, went the other way. So it break into my upside, my previous high of today, which was like 398, somewhere around that, and taking it to the 400. I think Commuter was the one that mentioned about 400 before it takes a dip down.
Don't mind me. I'm just here. Let me get you up where you need to be. I'm just looking. I actually opened up my chart, so I don't know. Let's see what we want to do here. I don't know if I want to do anything yet. Looking at Tesla on the 2 minute. Oh, look at that nice little zone it's in. Dead smack in the middle of it too. What the? I see it broke out of a channel. Maybe a pop back up to 208. 208 would be solid. Ugh. Or down to 202.
What on Tesla?
Complete, yeah, to complete the retracement from yesterday. Where's Wes? What did Wes trade today?
West is long 2 week puts
On
on
Apple?
SPY. No, was it on SPY there, Wes?
What kind of volume you
Good
got today?
morning, Tariq. Good morning, Tariq. Man, you know what? I gave some people, some clients that I drive in the car. I give them, it's like, yeah, I have a YouTube channel and stuff. It's just, just having fun with it. They're like, oh, I'll check you out. I
Bro, I
was like,
picked
all
up two
right.
subs last night from my rides. It wasn't many
Oh yeah.
rides I had last night. Yeah, last night was not that great. I had the ride from hell last night, yesterday, but you know, it's something else because that whole service animal thing can put you in a
Ah,
bad situation. I'm gonna tell the story today, but that whole service animal shit can put you in a bad situation, dude. Can put you in a really tough spot. It wasn't no goddamn service animal. That's for damn
no.
sure.
And they destroy your car. When they're not, they destroy the car.
Yeah, but right off the rip, oh god, dude, it's a hot mess, bro. It's a hot mess. But everything kind of worked out, and but I think I've told you I've only ever put there was only ever one ride where I put the people out my car. Only ever one ride. And that shit almost happened yesterday. I almost had to put somebody out the car. And fuck the dog. Pardon the expression. Sorry for my language.
Because it's not a service dog when the damn dog starts
Oh, heck
misbehaving.
no with no damn dog. But here's the thing. Dog. was the clean one out of the three people out of the three riders. The dog was the clean one, bro. But I couldn't pull off on him because I had the damn dog there. And the first thing that some bitch said was, oh, it's a service dog. I looked at him, I looked at the guy, I said, ain't no damn service dog. You're carrying a dog in a goddamn stroller. It ain't no damn service dog. Oh, listen, I had a rough night. Bro, it was like, bro, Lyft's got to do a better job. But even Lyft, I don't think Lyft could have done anything to prevent that ride.
No, they can't. It's just
There's no way.
like
There's no way.
it's not legal for you to ask for papers. I was like, all right, fine. Well, then
No,
I
no,
don't want
no.
you in my
I'm not
car.
even. Yeah, but I'm not even talking about the dog. I'm talking about the damn people. I believe they were both meth heads. That's what I believe. They were meth heads because I picked them up from the hospital. It came through
Oh,
as it came through as a $20 6 mile lift express.
oh,
Oh yeah, man, bro. I'll tell you the story later, bro. Or maybe I'll make a little quick video on it because you're just stuck. You're
you
stuck
should be
in
able to tell. You look at them and their eyes are dilated.
but the dog was there. So if I would have said no, and that one high ass dumb son bumpkin turned around and said, "Oh, it's a service animal." Now you think Lyft's going to listen to me? They ain't going to listen to me. They're going to listen to that guy,
Yeah,
the
but
fucking
you
crackhead.
could have canceled the ride as being rude.
There's a dog involved, Eddie.
You think so? You think they will still go with the story with the
Hundred
dog?
percent, 100%. Those two crackheads would have figured out how to screw me up, and I'd have been an Uber driver only last night.
I don't know. You know, Uber. A client did it to me that my windshield was cracked, and they shut my account down because they said that my window was cracked. Like, and I sent them a picture of it. 20 minutes later, the girl was like, "Listen, I'm looking at your rating, and you have a very very good rating." And they apologized, like, "Well, sorry. Sometimes our riders, they lie so they can get their way and stuff. But they turned my account back on because of my ratings, because my ratings were high."
Right? No, I get that, and that's all good in the hood. But I'm telling you, bro, that anything to do with disabled, you know, disabled riders or animals, service animals, bro. How many times do you get the notification? You have to take service animals. You have to. They are so adamant about shoving that in our faces. But this, it wasn't. If I'd have pulled off, that'd have been my ass. I know it. These two crackheads would have got their necks fixed off Lyft as in the form of a free $100 ride credit, and I'd have been sitting like freaking, as Jeff would say, Barney Fife driving Uber
What the
only.
hell's Bonnie Fife?
Come on, bro, Barney Fife, man. You don't know who
No,
Barney Fife is?
no. Who's put? Now, hold on. I'm gonna look. You keep talking. I'm gonna look it up.
I'm just saying, bro. That ride had me, bro. I was like, but yeah, I got to do a quick little video on that one because it's just. But I won't be able to monetize it because I'll be cussing too
Oh,
damn much.
dude, I never watched this damn show.
You never watched Andy Griffin? Come on,
I
bro.
had well, Andy Griffin, but like when no way. No. I mean, his pictures are
Barney,
in black and white. I'm not that old.
yeah, but your TVs when you were growing up as a kid were in black and white. What the hell?
Hell no. Shit. I was young enough when I had an Atari, and even that was not in black and white.
Ugh. Pong, bro, the original video game. Pong. Boop, boop.
Shit, yeah. You believe it? I was around for that stuff. Shit, it was cell phones weren't even around at my time. It was pagers,
Pages. Beep, beep, beep.
beepers, and pagers. I used to have the one where you like flip it open and you have the keypad on it.
Oh, bro, that's so like 90s. What they call that? It was called the sidekick, wasn't it?
No, 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 I'm not talking about that. It was a beeper, but the beeper started. They call them pagers, but then the pager would have a keypad. So you buy a pager, but it'll be with a keypad on it, so you can
Yeah,
type.
yeah, it was called
That
the
that was a
sidekick.
sidekick. No, 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 it's not the sidekick. It was a pager. It's before cell phones came out.
Okay, Eddie.
Cell phone, oh well, cell phones were out, but they were like $3 a minute. You
Yeah, the
know,
bricks.
it was like that, and they only gave you like 1,000 free minutes.
1,000 free minutes. Try like 250.
Yeah, yeah, that's when
My
they
first,
first came
my
out.
first, my first cell phone carrier was a company called Primeco.
Damn.
It was a pink company with a little alien on it. You got like 200 free minutes for the month. It was like a $200 bill, and it was like 25 cents every minute. They've been robbing us ever since.
All right, see ya, bro, kids. Bitcoin. Yeah, I got myself some Bitcoin there. Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't even know what the hell they're gonna use Ethereum for, but Bitcoin. Yeah, definitely Bitcoin. By the way, don't you know that California, Florida accepts Bitcoin to make any like pay your water bill, electric bill, and all that stuff?
Okay, let me straighten you out. Let me get you squared away here.
Uh
It's not
huh.
it's not Bitcoin. It's Miami Coin. City of Miami has its own cryptocurrency called Miami Coin.
Uh
And
huh.
yes, City of Miami residents can pay their water bill, their property taxes with Miami Coin, and they also have the ability to mine the coin.
Uh huh.
Bro, this is my hood, dog. This is my hood, dog. I know what's going on in
So,
my hood, dog.
can't you use Bitcoin to turn it into Miami coin?
Yes, yeah, of course you can. You could buy a house. You could pay your property taxes with Miami Coin. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it on. There it is.
Oh, let me see.
Uh,
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see.
hold on, bro. Calm down, dog. Miami Coin right now ain't worth shit. Miami Coin ain't shit. There it is. You got it up. Miami Coin is like worth 0.00047. It's like uh, Shiba Inu or some craziness, man. On the daily, but it is making a comeback. And you notice when it started making its comeback, started making its comeback with Bitcoin. That's on the daily. Miami
Does it
Coin had a
affect
nice boost. All cryptocurrencies.
Yeah,
Uh,
so again, I think they're gonna try to get rid of Bitcoin, but they I don't think they can. I mean, they
bro,
can't.
there already there was just a story the other day. What's today? Tuesday. It's a
Tuesday
story
the
Friday.
28th.
Yeah, there was a story that came out Friday. Bankers declaring victory over Bitcoin. That Bitcoin is dead and fiat won. Fiat didn't win shit. Again, they're listening to that guy during Jim Cramer. You know, listening to that during Jim Cramer. Listening to Jim Cramer gonna get you in trouble, also. Gonna get you in trouble, man.
But I do have a Bitcoin. I had it while I was up there, but I still have that like right now I have it down at the bottom too. I have some at the bottom. I'm still technically down, but
And what?
in Bitcoin.
Yeah, not me.
And Ethereum, I have it. You know how Ethereum gives you a percentage? I don't even know what the hell you can buy with Ethereum.
What?
Um,
On the open market, Ethereum is a protocol coin. So you build protocols and applications on top of Ethereum.
what do you
What
mean?
is it? ER22 tokens or something? E22 tokens. So Ethereum, think of Ethereum as a blank piece of paper laying flat, right?
Uh huh.
So think of it as a flat piece of paper. And you want to build something out. You want to write something down. You want to build maybe it's tracking for FedEx, blockchain technology, blocking for FedEx, or yeah, tracking for FedEx, or ordering handbags from Gucci. Build your protocol or your software on top of that. That's basically what foundational protocol. That's why when I talk cryptocurrency, Steven and I have had a conversation before. If Richie's still in the room, then Richie knows how I feel. There's outside of Bitcoin, I don't have any Ethereum. I do have Litecoin because I think a Bitcoin is gold. Litecoin is silver. There are places, dude. You can go to. I can go down here to Miami Dolphins Stadium. I can go to a football game. I can pay for my tickets in Litecoin. I can buy my cokes and hot dogs in Litecoin. I can buy a hat, a jersey, whatever I want at the stadium. They accept Litecoin, so I trade. So I can use it same as I use a dollar bill. It's awesome. So Bitcoin, Litecoin, Chainlink, because I like what the protocol does. And the sleeper of all sleepers is Graft, GRT. Graft is to cryptocurrency what Google was to websites. So when that sucker takes off, I don't even want to
Really?
talk.
Hold on. G. What is it? What is it? What's it called? G. What?
G as in goat, R as in runaway, little sissy boy, T as in
Growth
tango.
point prop.
Golf, Robert, Tango.
Does that come up on TraderView?
Yes, you can pull it up on TraderView.
I don't know. I'm getting a couple of GRTs calculated by TradingView Crypto Cap. GRT.
Here, type in GRTUSD, and there you go. Currently trading at 15 cents.
Ah, nice. There you go.
But look at the
1,000 shares.
look at
150
the
bucks.
hey, look at the 15-week, 52-week range. It's had a low of 5 cents and a high of 55 cents in the last year. In the last year alone. Year to date, it's up 187%. Up 55% over the last 6 months, up 155% over the last 3 months, up 72% over the last month. It's down almost 7% for the week. So you get in if you get in at 16 cents, 32 is double. You double your money,
Oh, it already
right?
spiked already. Look at that.
Add another 16 cents on top of that, you have 48 cents, you triple your bread. You triple your money.
12, 13.
But this is not financial advice, bro. I'm just saying. So this is what I hold. I hold GRT, I hold Chainlink. I think Link is at like $6 or $7 now. I cleared all my Chainlink out when it was at like 47, $48. Oh man. I've done some good stuff. I've done some bad stuff. It's all a gamble, bro. Life is a gamble.
Yeah, no, well, I like to put my money, in a whole bunch of things. So, I mean, my TD is basically full with a whole bunch of dividend stocks, but those are the ones for my kids. Those are just the ones for my kids. Besides that, um, my IRA is done. Just need to build it back up.
Oh, do do the Richie Burger thing, bro. Just throw dividend stocks in there and just let it ride.
Yeah, that's what I've been wanting to do. So once I get this day trading thing down, um, I wanted to take 80% of it and put it into my dividends, and I just want to keep growing it, keep going it, keep going it, keep going it, just keep it going, keep it going. And don't get me wrong, and I didn't want to I don't want to touch it until like I just want to keep creating because I'm not gonna stop working. I really don't. I think the only time I'm gonna stop working is but if I'm like too old and crippled and Alzheimer's, I don't know, something like that.
Don't be picking on the elderly, bro.
You know, like well, I can't really do anything because I can't remember, or I'll start getting the Joe Biden effect.
What'd you say?
You
I
know,
can't. What'd you say?
falling down the stairs. The Joe Biden effect.
Bro, you see how they covered up that big ass bruise on his forehead again?
Oh, with
That,
the yeah, the
that's
kick.
with the makeup. Yeah, bro. What the fuck? Ah. So did I tell you about my ride the other day? I don't want to talk about Joe Biden, man. We're down to three. We got three people watching. I don't want to chase those three away.
Yeah, well, it's 11, so we should be closing it up
Yes, I
at
know.
11:30. It is 11:30, and we only got two people watching. Besides, Kiki was here earlier too, and already advertised the
Her Etsy
products
store and
and
her
your website. So,
good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff, bro. I went and I looked at and I noticed you're broadcasting. Remember, I said I wasn't ready to go live on my Basic Trading 101, but you put it up there anyway.
oh, was okay. All right, it was
So I gotta go back now, and when we're done, I gotta delete this live file. But I looked at some of my videos that I originally made for that channel, my support resistance videos, my trendline videos, and setting up a Weeble chart. I got to redo all three of them.
okay.
I got to redo all three of them. There was some things in there. You know, when you go back and you look, you can find little things that you could have did better. Yeah, I found them.
Uh huh. Well, all right. Well, let's end the day. Let's end the day. So I am ending my day here at 1,008, and Vinny's ending his at 1,668. Still didn't make no money. So let's do it again tomorrow.
I'll
It's
try to be on
10:30.
time.
So
I'll try to be on time, y'all. My
all right,
bad, though.
ride sharing our way through day trading.
From
All
driving
right,
Uber to trading Wall Street, we are
the one and only.
two for the money. You ever watch
What's
that
to do
movie?
with my money? All right,
Y'all ever watch? You ever watch that movie?
which one?
Two for the money. Al
N-
Pacino and Matthew McConaughey.
No, but I saw
Oh,
Wolf of Wall Street.
oh my god, bro. Go ahead, bro. End your stream, bro.
Anyway, peace. See you guys next time. $5. $5.
I could do at least this for you. Oh, you ready? You ready? You ready?
Pow.